Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to enable inbox message notifications on TikTok. First of all, open TikTok. Click on Profile. Go to the top right corner and click on 3 lines. Scroll down. Right here, click on Report a Problem. In the last, click on Submit a Report and then upload the screenshot of your inbox and type feedback. I can't receive my notification of inbox, please notice. And in the last, click on Submit, and your report will be submitted. In 24 hours, they will reply or resolve your issue. And now, close that app. Best, and hold that TikTok app. Click on App Info. Now here, click on Notification and enable all the toggles. So that was the way to enable inbox messages notification on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.